Hello everyone, welcome in our YouTube channel ERP SAP team. Today we are going to discuss how to check the asset documents, right? How many documents you are posted in against any assets. So the SAP T code is AB03. You need to open AB03 in command window where you need to fill the company code, asset details, and the financial year for which year you have created that asset, right? Simple. This is a very useful SAP T code. Asset you have created using AS01, you have changes using AS02, view the asset register using AR02. For example, a asset value is 100 rupees, but you want to check what is the amount of the 100 rupees you want to check. Then maybe 100 value is the sum of 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, and 40 rupees, but you want to break up of all those amount posted on this particular asset, right? So simple fill company code, asset ID. If you have sub number, then fill sub number and the financial year. All the documents posted, line wise detail you will get, right? See, in my assets, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines item are there along with the amounts and the posting date, right? See, when you select any line item and click on the display button or detail button, you will get all the details, right? Okay, this is the ZL wise entry. See, from the PS clearing GL2 asset, this line entry is coming. Generally, in our PS system, maximum entries are coming from CWIP route, PS to CWIP and CWIP to asset, right? Mostly entry coming from the CWIP, right? But in the some cases, some of the most of the process that entries are directly posting on the assets from the inventory routes, right? Inventory directly posted on the asset routes, right? So you can easily quantify. Simply you execute the SAP transaction code AB03, a company code, asset ID, and financial year. You will get all the line item posted against these assets, and select the line items, click on the overview. You will get the GL wise details where you will get the CWIP assets, maybe WBS detail in the text column, maybe some details, and from where you can easily identify. So this is very useful SAP transaction code. If you like this SAP tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel, place a like button, and if you have any query in your mind, please mention in the comment section. We will help you. Please share with your friends and colleagues, because sharing is gaining, and this is purely learning and training purpose tutorial for the knowledge sharing. Have a good day and a great learning. Thank you.